Here's a quick tutorial to help you use one more feature of Haj Suvidha app. Haj Suvidha app is available in 10 languages to help pilgrims. Open the Haj Suvidha app. Log in with your credentials. If you have chosen language not of your choice, language option is given in the home screen on the top in the right corner. Tap Language. Choose your preferred language for the app titles and menus. The app will update and display content in your selected language. Thank you for watching, and may your Hajj journey be blessed and easy.